Situated on the westernmost tip of Europe, America's true doorway to the old continent and strategically well located in relation to Africa, Portugal stands on the Iberian Peninsula, bordered by Spain and the Atlantic Ocean. It was from here, during the period of the discoveries, that the Portuguese navigators set sail in their search for new worlds. After the world had been divided up into two parts between Spain and Portugal, Pedro Álvares Cabral discovered Brazil. It was also a Portuguese navigator who discovered America, albeit for the Spanish. With more than 800 years of history, Portugal is one of the oldest countries in Europe. The Portuguese language is spoken in 5 continents. It is the 5th most spoken language in the world and the 6th most used on the internet, ahead of Arabic and French. In Portugal, the beach is one of the most popular places, both for the locals and for the thousands of foreigners who visit us every year.
Quando, em 1987, resolvi criar a minha própria empresa, eu tinha uma ideia clara do setor e sabia o que é que pretendia para a empresa. Produzir revestimentos para chão e parede de alta qualidade técnica e com padrões inovadores.
Experienced, qualified workers, exclusive products of excellent quality and design are some of the benefits of working with Corkart. To accompany the demands and trends of the market, Corkart has continued to invest in new machinery and equipment in order to provide flexible manufacturing adapted to each customer. It is here that the process begins, which will eventually result in a finished product that will make any living space more comfortable and pleasant, creating surfaces of rare natural beauty and stylish design, soft to the touch, water resistant and able to maintain room temperature. Cork floor and wall coverings are created from cork's post-industrial use, a sub-product of the cork stopper industry. Everything left over from this manufacturing process is recycled and ground into small granules. In the first phase, using a minimum quantity of glue, the cork is agglomerated for later use. It is placed in moulds under enormous presses and after being exposed to high temperatures is transformed into blocks of cork ready to be cut. The gluing of the decorative panels is the stage that follows. In the manufacturing of exclusive decorative panels, the use of high-quality natural cork is combined with the work of true craftsmanship. This results in special, unique decorative features present in the Corkart collections. These decorative panels can now be used in the manufacture of floating floors or cork parquet flooring. In the case of cork parquet, it's cork and only cork which composes the structure of the final product, with all the advantages which that brings. For example, softening the impact of falls, its non-slip qualities, or the fact that it is easy to maintain and clean. In the specific area of cork floating floors, besides placing a sheet of decorative cork agglomerate on the upper side, the underside is also composed of cork, and the interior made up of HDF. 3 layers of varnish are then applied to the surface of the decorative cork panel and dried in a series of hot air tunnels in a veritable train, after which the boards will take on their final appearance and structure. Natural Shield, a water varnish used by Corkart, allows the natural texture of the cork to be felt, at the same time as being extremely resistant to scratches. In the case of linoleum, the products on the outer layers are 100% natural, and in the case of vinyl, this already comes with the final finishing incorporated.
O Vinyl Concept é uma coleção de revestimentos em vinil que a Corkart apresentou em 2008. Nesta coleção apresentamos duas soluções, a solução para colar e o flutuante. Nesta coleção apresentamos vários tipos de acabamento, acabamentos com visual de madeira, do mais rústico ao mais tradicional, assim como acabamentos em pedras e acabamentos metalizados.
Corkart has 2 lines of flexible production, allowing the manufacturing of floating floors with a large variety of formats and thicknesses. The system of insertion used is the Uniclick profile. Recognised as the best installation system without glue, it allows quick and easy installation, which is also environmentally friendly. The floating flooring is then packaged and loaded onto trucks where it is distributed throughout the world. Whether it be our range of cork concept, lino concept or vinyl concept, the difference lies in the covering applied, because the rest of the composition is identical and has similar characteristics.
A Corkart é a única empresa no mundo a fabricar internamente todos os decorativos de cortiça, desde os blocos que serão posteriormente laminados, aos decorativos feitos à mão e que primam pela sua exclusividade.
Corkart doesn't just provide its customers with one of the most durable, attractive and comfortable flooring in the market, it also helps to save precious natural resources. Once installed, cork flooring has enormous durability. It has excellent thermal behaviour, maintaining the floor at a stable temperature. Its acoustic behaviour is absolutely unequalled. It is hypoallergenic and recommended for anyone with allergy problems. Cork fabric, upon which Corkart prides itself, has identical characteristics. Many manufacturers use this fabric to produce highly creative, exclusive and stylish designs, giving their owners a sense of exclusivity which only the great brands and most famous designers manage to transmit.